So, hallo zusammen. Neue Part The Walking Dead. Wir sind verblieben bei Episode 2. Episode 2 fangen wir an. Ich weiss nicht genau, was uns erwartet. Wir gehen einfach schauen, würde ich mal sagen. Das ist cool, freue mich. Seid ihr mit dabei? Und Action. Aha, da, das Spiel 3 haben wir. Okay. Episode 2. Ja, Episode 2, wie wir, oder? Kann ich jetzt da noch zurück? Ah ja, so könnte ich zurück. Episode 2 fangen wir an. Okay, Action.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
I know who you are.
I got another good one for you.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug.
You got it, boss.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, God.
And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Super, ich freue mich. Drei Monate später. Okay. Oh, ich muss schon etwas machen. Ah, was kann ich da töten?
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
Ja, anscheinend haben wir ein bisschen.
Not enough. According to Lily, we've just about hit the last of our food reserves. Some people might have to go without tonight.
You mean Lily's lottery again? Kenny's gonna be pissed.
She thinks everyone should have an equal chance of missing a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Ja.
Kenny won't abandon us. He's a good man.
I guess we'll see. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
Who knows what Larry's problem is?
Maybe that's just the way he is, but that guy needs to chill out. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
Oh, weniger Lärm. Kein Lärm, gescheiter nicht.
Don't. Gunshot'll bring walkers. One bird's not worth it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just really frickin' hungry.
Ja, für so einen Vogel ist es zurück.
Shit! Was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
Ouch!
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear!
Lee, you guys okay?
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis! Maybe they can help!
These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys?
Naslager
Fuck, is there a
überfallen.
bear trap out here?
I don't know, man!
Who raided your camp?
I don't know! Guys with guns!
Please, we won't bother you, I swear!
Lee, this is fucked up. You gotta help me.
Please!
Ben, shut up! My dad was Special Forces, I know what I'm doing!
Just see if you can get him out! After that you can leave us or whatever! I don't care! Please!
Ja.
Was he bitten?
Bitten? No! I swear! Hurry, please! Hurry!
Also home.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Oh no.
Jo, da kommen sie, du.
Walkers! It's now or never, Lee!
Please! Get me out of this!
Mark, get the boys back!
Komm, tu
Kenny,
das
keep
Ding
those
auf.
walkers off of me!
Komm, tu das Ding auf.
Lee, do something!
Please! You have to get him out! You have to! No!
Jane!
Please save him!
Nun, probier.
Come on, do something! Stop!
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, was soll ich denn? Was soll ich?
Lee, it has to be now! Why would somebody do this?
Try something. Is he gonna
Lee, are
make
you
it?
nuts? Quit fucking around! Try something
Ah,
else!
das bringt nichts, hä?
He's lost so much blood!
Du weißt was.
Please, hurry up!
Autsch, aber das muss
Time
sein.
for that. I'm sorry.
There's gotta be something we
now.
can do!
Just get me out, please! With blood and screaming,
Please!
we're gonna be
We can't just
surrounded any
leave him
minute.
like this!
Ja, ich muss sein.
Can't
Muss
keep him
sein.
back forever.
Sorry, aber...
I have to cut you out.
No! Try the trap
so many of them.
Anything, please!
Fuck, I'm just wasting ammo now. We gotta go.
Aua! Sorry, du. Autsch. Oh, Scheiße. Ah. Oh, Mann.
Shit. Is he?
He passed out.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Gong, 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 gong. Ja, okay. Mann. Es geht ja richtig los da. Hunger und Hilfe. Episode 2. Yes.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come on!
God. What happened?
Oh, the hell
What's going
Don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm
Yeah.
down for a fucking minute?
no,
Watch your mouth.
I don't! I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
Jesus Christ.
I thought we could save his life. I'm the one that took his leg. That makes me responsible.
Well, that was a stupid thing to do.
We are not responsible for every struggling survivor we come across. We have to focus on our group, right here, right now.
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No?
Fine, you guys fight it out then. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a
Is that even
goddamn
mal
Nazi.
ut?
You've got nothing to say about that, Lee? You know, it might feel safe for you to sit on the fence, but sooner or later you're gonna have to decide whose side you're on.
Ja, das habe ich auch das Gefühl.
I don't see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Dad, please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall? You think this is easy for me? Everyone's starting to hate me because I'm the one that rations the food, but nobody else wants to. You know what? I'm not doing it tonight. You do it. There's today's food rations, but there's not enough for everyone. Good luck.
Ha. So, jetzt kann ich endlich ein bisschen reden. Ich will da eben auch nicht, wenn es die Story ist, gerade ein bisschen reinreden. Und dann hat man nicht so Zeit, weil man sich gegen schnell muss entscheiden und so. Aber anscheinend sind wir jetzt da in so einer behelfsmässigen Burg, hätte ich fast gesagt. Da muss so ein geschützt zusammengenageltes Ding da. Und das Essen wird knapp. Und die haben natürlich nicht so Freude, wenn ich noch mit neuen Leuten ankomme. Aber ja, Kenny und die Lily sind sich da nicht so einig gegen ein bisschen. Und der Larry, der geht mir sowieso auf den Sack. Also, ich weiss auch nicht, der Larry, wir werden keine Freunde, glaube ich. Irgendwie. Okay. Also. Schauen wir mal die Bauen an. Da.
At least the kids have something to keep them occupied.
Genau. Jetzt habe ich da 4 Sachen für 11 Leute. Jetzt soll ich das verteilen.
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Der Hut, ja, sicher.
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Also, Clem bekommt ganz sicher etwas hier.
Here, Clem. You need something to eat.
Halb Äpfel. Stück Dörrfleisch. Ja, was soll ich dir geben? Komm mal, Äpfel.
I love apples. Thank you. Are there more?
No, honey. That was the last one.
Oh,
Enjoy it. You deserve it.
Okay. Und dann geben wir dem Duck noch etwas.
Hey, Duck. How about a little food?
Cracker und kein er hat schon Freude, schau. Ja.
Here.
yeah. Oh man, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Und gehen wir weiter. Ja, jetzt wird es schwierig, ey. Was ist da mit diesem? Was ist das noch?
Sturdy, but it's not gonna hold up forever, just like the rest of this place.
Ja, okay. Shit happens, hä? Da. Scheiße.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know. Can you give me a hand real quick?
Klar.
Sure. What do you need?
Just apply some pressure here while I try to close this up.
Gut.
You know, I thought I was starting to get used to this, sewing up people's injuries. But I mean, cuts and bruises are one thing, but Lee, this man has no leg.
Ja. Ich habe das Richtige getan, ja.
I did the right thing.
Yeah, I know you did. The right thing is just scary sometimes, I guess.
Das ist eben leider so.
You've
hä?
done all you can, Lee. Thanks for the help. Go ahead and check in on the others. I need a little space here anyway.
Möchtest du etwas Food? Ich weiss nicht, wem das ich noch etwas... Irgendjemand ist sowieso verrückt. Na komm, du bist Tailorin. Du kannst auch
Here,
etwas haben.
eat something.
Why don't you give it to Doc? I'm a little busy with your mess right now.
Gib es Duck.
I need space, Lee.
Duck hat schon. Okay. Duck kann ich auch etwas geben. Es ist mit dir, Carly. Oder dem Kenny. Carly, komm.
Want something to eat? Here.
Me? How about you? You look like crap, Lee. When was the last time you ate?
I'm okay.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak. I know I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but...
You don't owe me anything, Carly.
Ja, also. Und, der Kenny sagt sicher, uns aus dem Duck geben.
Want something to eat? Here, Kenny. Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
Yeah, I gave him something.
Sure, then hand it over. I'm starved, thanks.
Ja. Okay. Jetzt habe ich noch etwas. Ja, ich gebe es jemandem. Komm.
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need
Ja, okay. Die Frage ist nur wer, hä? Und dieser da.
How's it going, Lee? From up here, it looks like you're playing favorites.
Oder ihre. Ihre da oben. Wo ist denn der andere eigentlich? Der,
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
What do you want? A handout? Oh, I got 60 cents in my pocket, if you'll shut up and quit being such a pansy.
der ist ja noch ehrlich.
It keeps the walkers out. Carly's been doing the bulk of the lookout duty.
Carly, eben. Ja, ich gebe doch immer etwas, wenn er so schwach ist, hä? Nein. Du gehst selber jagen, du Löw. Alles besser weisst. Aber ich rede zuerst mit ihm.
You holding up okay, Lee? I was pretty fucked up back there. Having to cut that guy's leg off.
Yeah, I just hope Katja can save him. Lily's pretty pissed at us.
Listen, I know her intentions are good, but...
But nothing! She's making the smart choice. Those parasites you guys brought back need to go.
Oh man. Komm, ich gebe ihm das, komm.
Here, eat something.
Thanks, Lee.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Klar.
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Larry gebe ich nicht Axt, Mark gebe sie.
Here, Mark, this should help.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Come on, Larry. What is it between you two? Why do you have a personal grudge against Lee?
He knows why.
Ja.
Not such an easy job, is it?
Never said it was. I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Hey, thanks for looking out for me and my family.
Yeah, of course.
Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
You're out! What happened to my food?
There's none left.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
You're one to talk, old man.
Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
Ja. Aber deine Herztablette nicht dürfen reichen, hä?
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
Let him go, Katja.
But...
He just needs time. It's been a rough morning.
that man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
Ja. Oh! Yes, the scope. Yes, the scope. Bin jetzt gelukt. Ai, ai. Au. So, Schlange, Mark, Schlange. Ich bin gestorben, sie sind tot. Oh Mann. Aber Mark, hättest du nicht drauf holen Patsch. Ehrlich? Der Mark, da nicht, der holt noch daneben. Lies mit. Also nochmal, da bin ich jetzt zerklüpft, der Batzei. Oh, Mark, jetzt. Hau rauf.
Shit, it's stuck!
Die Axt steckt fest. Gang weg. Gang weg. Gang weg. Oh.
Shoot it!
Oh, merci. Oh, Mann.
You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed!
You said he wasn't bitten.
What?
We asked you point blank, was he bitten, and you said no.
He wasn't!
Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife.
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Ah, wir sind alle infiziert, ja.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know. All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Back off!
Oh.
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Oh.
Are you armed?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Yeah.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit?
I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what are y'all thinking?
Hier bleiben. Ja, aber wir haben kein Food mehr, nichts. Ja, sollen wir echt mit? Ich glaube es.
You've got a deal. We'll bring some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while. This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
Ja, ich. Ja, die ist schon gut.
You think they'd want me for a leader?
Sure, everybody looks up to you.
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
Because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry weiß es, ja.
Just you.
Well, I haven't told anyone.
Clementine might know. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I lied to her, but...
What exactly did happen with the senator?
Mit dem Senator,
Now is not the time.
Well, I'm here whenever you want to talk.
Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Not sure everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
I really appreciate that.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
Motor Inn's my home now, I guess.
Well, that place seen better days, huh?
You can say that again.
Y'all seem pretty settled in at that Motor Inn. Who's running things over there?
Es ist eine Demokratie. Ja, würde ich sagen.
We work as a group. All of us looking out for each other.
I hear that. There's so many dumbasses out there fighting each other these days. It's just stupid.
How many people you got over there anyway?
Enough to defend ourselves.
Well, that's good. It's getting dangerous out there. Well, you guys know. Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running the dairy for well, as long as I can remember, but now it's
You think you're gonna cut me out of this?
Shit, get down.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits.
Who?
Those look like the people who raided my camp.
Who are they?
Fuck you! You knew we were hungry, and you guys were keeping it all
There's
for
only two of
yourselves.
Oh no, there's
Yeah, and you
a
know
lot
what?
more
We
of
ate it
them.
all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out and hope they move on.
Fuck you!
Oh.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Jesus.
Asshole.
The world out here has gone to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe. Here it is, St. John Family Dairy. Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
The fence keeps them out?
You betcha. They fry like bugs in a zapper. We're pushing 4,000 volts through that thing with generators and amps.
I'm going to assume that's a lot.
Ever have any accidents?
Nah. It's safer here than out there.
This place looks untouched. You'd never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
It's worth protecting. Hence all the juice.
I thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. He's been living down at the old motel, round the way.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable. Have you got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
Ich habe alles unter Kontrolle.
I've got things under control over there.
Ja, ja, würde ich
I
sagen.
hope you know what you're doing. That place isn't safe like it is here.
Hold on, I thought you said someone else was running things.
Oh, yeah, I thought she was asking about survival tactics.
Well, it don't matter. You're here now. We'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
Oh, wir haben Benzin dabei, hä?
Thanks for having us. We brought some gasoline on good faith.
We're all incredibly hungry.
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Amazing.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right. Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A vet? Oh my! Our prayers have been answered.
Maybe our whole group could come. For the day.
Well, how about this? y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner. A big feast for all you hungry souls.
Das tönt ja
It'd be nice
wunderbar.
to have some folks to help out around here again. Danny, why don't you come help me out in the kitchen?
Why don't I head back with the food and round up everyone for the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
I can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along anyway?
Take care of yourself, Lee. See you in a while.
Mark, Lee, why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in, I could use some help securing the perimeter.
Is there a problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry. Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha. This place is incredible. It's got food. And that fence. Man, that fence. If we play our cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play this?
Ja. Einfach mal dafür sorgen, dass es sicher ist. Aber irgendwie kommt mir das schon ein bisschen spanisch vor. Aber ja, wir schauen mal.
Before we can think about bringing our whole group here to stay, we need to figure out if this place is as safe as they're telling us.
Right. Obviously they think it's safe. But is it safe enough for the kids? I noticed a broken swing over there. Not a big deal, but maybe there's other things not working that we just can't see yet.
And checking the fence perimeter sounds like a decent way to get a good look at their defenses.
All right. I'll keep my eyes open, and you find out what you can from Andy.
Ja, also. Und, ja, ich mache da kurz einen Cut. Es kommt mir ein bisschen spanisch vor, da, das ganze Zeug. Aber wenn das natürlich so ist, wie die für uns wollen kochen und so, da haben wir nichts dagegen herzuzöckeln. Also, wie es weitergeht da bei dieser Family und dieser Farm, sehen wir im nächsten Part. Und schön seid ihr mit dabei. Bis dann. Tschüss.